Hello guys, how are you doing? This is a simple strategy which happens between 430 and 440. The first fair value gap to form between 430 and 440, wait for the market to go to that fair value gap and enter a trade. You can see 430 started here, and I said between 430 and 440 market will the algorithm will form a 10 minutes candle run, and there is a way you can know when that first fair value gap to be formed between 430 and 440 will support price. As you can see, 430 it's here. Between these two there is a fair value gap. Market came, tapped there, and then I was unable to buy there, so I entered my buys where here. And now you can see how market is pushing upward. Now market is entering into a super buy mode. I'm just basically using time and candles. Time 430 to 440. That first fair value gap. Learn to identify it when it will be used as a retracement zone. 430 it's here. Where is 440? 440 is around here. So before 440 it tapped there for 39, and then 440 it started buying. That is how it forms. First fair value gap, market will return there before 440, and then market will enter into a super buy mode. Same for sell delivery, because it will form a bearish fair value gap, and sometimes now today, date 27th May 2026, this is a bullish fair value gap formed between 430 and 440 in preparation of 5 p.m. You can check the account is real, and then those are my trades. Now I want you to see how this market will skyrocket. This is precision. This is just purely based on candle language and time. So I told you, if your order blocks happens during specific time, learn to stay in the market and identify that order block at that specific time. But this is a cheat code to the forex market between 430 and 440. That first fair value gap, market will retrace back there before 440, and then market will enter into crazy move like we are about to see right now. We are about to see a crazy move. This is why I'm big boss. This is purely quarterly theory, time and candle language. I'm not trading any bank level bank option thing. No, I'm only trading purely based on time and candle language. That's 400. And then what do we have to do? Market is skyrocketing till 5 p.m. I'm not even in a hurry. You just wait and see. It's just that I don't want to hold this video for long. I just want you to see how the market will behave. Just see. I want you and me watch the market do its thing. We said you don't panic. You just enter and chill and wait. That is what you're supposed to do. Now, because you see a bearish candle, you're scared, you want to get out. No, this is big boss. I'm never scared. If I say we are going up, we are going up. The market has no fucking option. It has to go where I am saying it should go. I have said between 430 and 440. That first fair value gap, market will come trade it and then it will go to the anticipated direction. Sometimes it will be too fast and sometimes it will be too slow, like today, because it should return back to that value gap immediately, and then market will keep buying. Are you seeing that? Between 4:30 and 4:40 p.m. Kenyan time. Between 4:30 p.m. and 4:40 p.m. Kenyan time. Okay, if you want to say it, you can say it East African time, Nairobi time, whatever you call it. Between 4:30 and 4:40, that first fair value gap, market will trade it and it will go to your direction. And after you see that, just know 5 p.m. will not be manipulated. Like today, just watch 5 p.m. for today. Market will not be manipulated. It will not be manipulated. It will not be manipulated. Now let's wait and see where this stupid market wants to do. Because I don't know why it's forming a lot of retracement, but I know what's happening. It's waiting for 1650. 1650 window, that 5-minute candle open, and then it will purge. Just wait and see. In 1 minute, 1650 is what the market is waiting for, basically. And then we will enter officially into the super buy mode. 1650, right away. Right away. We said you just pray, it doesn't fail. But when you start praying in this forex market, just know you're wrong. Now 1650 is there. It's time we buy. Let's go now. 1650. It's time. Basically, it's time. You're supposed to buy. 5 p.m. is close. Why are you selling? And we went back to the Beverly Gap. It's time. It's time. I'm not kidding. It's the time. 1650. The move should start officially in preparation for 5 p.m. I told you with just 1 minute candle. Have you seen that? I told you when you're in a trade, you don't panic. Why are you rushing to? The market is preparing for 5 p.m. You don't panic. It's 5 p.m. is in 10 minutes. You don't panic. Nowadays, 5 p.m. has been manipulated right, left, and center. That's why you're not even seeing me on TikTok Live. I said every day, 9 a.m. Kenyan time, I will be posting daily analysis and a signal for the day. For today, if you came to my YouTube channel, you made money. 9 a.m. exactly. Don't come to my YouTube channel past 9 a.m. 9 a.m. to 9:10, the video will be already been uploaded. Signal and daily analysis, where the market will go and whatever the thing it will do. Everything. Now, guys, I might leave now. You can say, I am the big boss. See you later.